Before I show you how I withdraw my profits, I'm going to take one single trade today and I will be using 50% of my capital. Why? Because I've spotted a high probability breakout setup that looks good and I cannot ignore this. As soon as the candle closes, I'll be taking a put entry right at the opening of the next candle. I want you to pay close attention to this setup because it's extremely important. The reason I'm entering here is based on a specific price action clue that many traders overlook. What's even better is that the market creates this type of opportunity quite frequently. Once you learn how to identify it correctly, you'll start spotting high probability entries over and over again. You can see I entered my put trade right at the opening of the candle. The reasoning behind this trade was straightforward. The market formed a clear double top, which is one of the most recognized reversal pattern in trading. After that, the previous low was broken, signaling a potential bearish momentum. The green candle that followed acted as a retracement candle, giving the market a temporary pullback. Then came the red candle, which served as my confirmation candle. This confirmed that sellers were stepping back and now the price is likely to move towards the next support area. This is a classic high probability setup that appears regularly in the market when you combine a double top, a break of structure, a retracement, and a confirmation candle. You can often find strong trading opportunity. And now, as you can see, the trade is moving exactly in my favor. This will be my only trade for today, and once it closes, I'll proceed with my withdrawals. Alright traders, as you can see, the trade went perfectly in my favor and that's the only trade I am taking today. Now it's time for the withdrawal process. I'm choosing the USDT TRC20 for withdrawal method and entering my desired withdrawal amount, that is $800. Next, I will paste my TRC20 wallet address and click continue. Make sure that all the details you have placed here is correct, and after pressing the continue button, I'll enter my verification pin sent to my email. Once the pin is confirmed, the withdrawal request is successfully submitted. At this point, all I have to do is wait for the processing period. Typically, withdrawals can take anywhere from 1 to 3 days depending on the platform processing time. Once approved, the funds will be directly sent to my USDT TRC20 address. Another interesting feature of Pocket Option is the Save feature, which allows you to lock a portion of your funds separately from your trading balance while earning interest on those funds. This can be useful in a way to set aside your profits and manage your capital more effectively. Whenever you need additional funds for trading, transferring money from your safe back to your live trading account is quick and simple. In fact, that's exactly what I did just now. I moved funds from my secured safe to my live account so that I can take trade tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. If you want to copy my trades in Pocket Option, all you have to do is create a Pocket Option account using my link, which is given below, and deposit starts from only $5. Alright traders, I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning, and as always, happy trading.